how the Java Pojo will be there, we will be seeing. And here I'll be making use of application server like WebLogic. I'll be showing you first. Okay, when we are interacting with web application and database through Hibernate, first I'll be going for WebLogic. Then I'll be showing you on normal Tomcat server also. Then, as I have said, I'll go for WSO2 server also. Those are the servers which I'll be showing it to you. Apart from that, if you want any other servers also, just tell me, I'll teach you. Glassfish server is just simply waste. That is available. That is also somewhere it will be useful. And WebSphere is the server which we are using in our companies. But that WebSphere server is IBM product. It is bit costly, so I cannot show you that particular thing. If I can get any trial version related to WebSphere server in the sense, I can show you on that. Clear? Now, here I am going to make use of this particular WebLogic. I think I have mentioned it already. WebLogic is a product of Oracle. You can see the logo there itself. Previously, WebLogic was a product of? Not Sun. BEA organizations. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, fine. So these are the so many other programs which we have did. So all the things we'll ignore right now. Simple Pojo we will see. Okay. You can see that the path settings, everything, jar files, everything has been loaded automatically for that. Now I'll create a simple Pojo. Pojo in the sense the exact replication of DB. We can say in that way. Whereas here we are assuming that we need to store some student details. What are the details we can store up related to student in the sense? We can store student name, next student fees, then we can store student address. We'll assume like this. Okay, these are the things. Student name anyway string, student address also string only, then student fees, it will be
double or string?
Double. Better, we'll go for double itself, and we'll take one more field as student number, which will make it as integer. Clear? So totally 4 fields. I'll create a class student. Okay, these things and all is not required. Public class student. Okay, where package. Make sure that you will be specifying some packages for storing the data. Package names most of the times try to keep it small letters only, and moving the student.java to this particular package. Okay, right. Okay, now next. Now I'm creating int student number. Okay, now float student fees. Okay, these are the 4 fields which I am in the sense when I am specifying these particular fields, in the sense in my DB also, where I'll be having a particular table. There is no rule like the table name should be student only. It can be something else also, but the fields will be matched to this particular fields. Okay, na? Let's say there it can be customer as a, I mean in front of you though I'll say these are my students, but after that you are paying the fees to me, so that you are becoming customers to me. So what I can do is, in the DB when I am storing your details, instead of saving it as student, I can save your details as customer table also. That means here the representation of Pojo will be student only, but the table name will be customer. Column names, whatever is there over here, there is no rule like the same columns only should be reflecting over there. Even the column names also can be changed over there, but the types of the columns you need to make sure that these types only will be reflecting over there. Clear? Now for this we need to have getter and setter methods. Control space you press. Okay, now you can see the getter and setter methods which is available. Get address, get sv, sname, snumber, set address. We have one more option also. Instead of selecting individually, we have option of generate getter setters. But this one, what I can do is I can load only particular methods which I want to use it over here. That's the specialty.
What you press control?
Control space. Even the same thing. This is very similar to your Eclipse. Whatever we are doing in Eclipse, same thing reflects here also.
This is Netbin.
This is WebLogic. WebLogic workshop. Okay, na? So these are the fields which I have, and these are the methods, getter methods. What is the use of this getter methods means? From DB I can retrieve the data. These are setter methods which I can store the data into the DB. Clear? Any doubts? This is all about the Pojo, what we need to have majorly.